In the world of RV ownership, maintaining exterior surfaces, fiberglass, gel coat, and painted finishes protects resale value and keeps your rig looking showroom new. Wax, sealant, and polish products serve different purposes. Some emphasize simple one-step cleaning and protection, while others aim for long-lasting UV resistance and high-gloss finishes on fiberglass.
List number 1. Meguiar's flagship Premium Marine Wax M1613. Meguiar's flagship Premium Marine Wax M1613 is a synthetic polymer wax designed for fiberglass and gel coat surfaces, marketed as a professional-grade protection with UV inhibitors. At 16 ounces, it targets users seeking a durable gloss with straightforward hand or machine application and compatibility with both polishing and sealing workflows. The product emphasizes UV protection, light defect removal, and color enrichment, making it suitable for regular maintenance on boats as well as RV exteriors. Performance-wise, M1613 offers a deep gloss and appreciable color enrichment while adding a protective polymer shield against sun exposure. By design, it can be worked by hand or with a dual-action polisher, which makes it versatile for hobbyists and detail-oriented owners alike. In practice, customers report noticeable improvement in reflection and a smooth finish, with UV protection helping to mitigate fading on gel coat. However, the formula is best suited for light oxidation and swirls. Heavily oxidized surfaces may require an initial polish prior to waxing to achieve optimal results.
List number 2. Meguiar's Marine. This is Meguiar's spray and wipe hybrid ceramic sealant designed for marine and RV surfaces, promoting durable ceramic protection with gloss, beading, and UV resistance. The spray format makes it convenient as a standalone protective layer or as a booster atop existing wax coatings. It's marketed as safe for fiberglass and gel coat and can also be used on paint, metal, vinyl, and glass, expanding its utility beyond exterior fiberglass protection. In practice, the product excels as a low-effort maintenance shield that beads water brilliantly and enhances slickness. Its spray application is quick, and it can function as a drying aid or be used to refresh protection between waxes. However, long-term durability will depend on environmental exposure and wash routine. As a spray product, its longevity may be shorter than heavier sealants or dedicated wax layers, particularly on surfaces with heavy oxidation. Users should avoid over-application to minimize streaking.
List number 3. 303 Products RV Wash. 303 RV Wash and Seal is a pH-neutral, high-foaming wash with built-in protection designed to clean and lightly protect RV exteriors without stripping existing coatings. It's positioned as a 2-in-1 solution, effective cleaning plus a protective layer, suitable for campers, motorhomes, and travel trailers. The formula emphasizes non-abrasive cleansing and UV protection, aiming to preserve wax or sealant longevity while delivering a streak-free finish. In use, the product shines for routine washes where owners want to avoid aggressive abrasion and preserve existing wax systems. The high foam action provides a deep gloss feel while maintaining a gentle touch on fiberglass and aluminum exteriors. Because it's a wash and seal, it's not a heavy-duty polish or restorative treatment. It's best for regular maintenance or for RVs with minimal surface degradation. A potential drawback is that the protective layer may require reapplication with subsequent washes to maintain optimal defense against UV exposure over time.
List number 4. Polyglow Boat. Polyglow's 32-ounce polish kit is a fiberglass-focused restoration product designed to penetrate and seal gel coat and fiberglass for long-lasting gloss and UV protection. The kit includes an applicator mitt and uses a proprietary acrylic polymer formula that claims to provide a barrier against sun and water for up to several years with proper care. It's positioned as a more maintenance-light, long-lasting alternative to traditional waxes, aimed at owners seeking showroom shine with fewer reapplications. In use, Polyglow excels at restoring faded fiberglass and maintaining a high-gloss appearance with a robust, long-lasting layer. It's particularly appealing for older RVs or boats where sun exposure has degraded the finish. The product is marketed as easy to apply with no buffing required, reducing labor. While it offers strong UV protection and water beading, some users may prefer a periodic reapplication for occasional touch-ups to maintain the pristine look over years. And deeper oxidation may require surface prep or a more aggressive polish before application.
List number 5. Meguiar's M5001 Marine RV One-Step Cleaner Wax. Meguiar's M5001 is a one-step cleaner wax designed to clean, polish, and protect fiberglass gel coat and RV surfaces in a single action. The 1-gallon size targets larger boats and RVs, offering a cost-effective option for owners who want routine upkeep without multiple products. It's described as non-abrasive and effective at removing light defects, while restoring color and gloss in one pass, making it a practical choice for regular maintenance and simplification of the detailing process. In practice, M5001 streamlines the care routine by combining cleansing and polishing with protective elements. It's well suited for owners who want to reduce product tears while achieving noticeable improvement in brightness and defect reduction. The larger 1-gallon container provides good value per ounce, which suits frequent users or fleet-style RVs or boats. On the downside, the one-step approach may not fully correct heavy oxidation or deep scratches, and some users may still benefit from a dedicated wax layer or polish for optimal long-term protection in harsh climates.